लॉकडाउन के दौरान किस चीज की सबसे ज्यादा क्रेविंग आई?
મારે એવું થાય કે જેવું ખુલે અમે મજા કરીશું, એવું એકચ્યુઅલમાં ટર્ન આઉટ થયું ના. ખુલી ગયું તો ઇટ ટર્ન આઉટ કે અમે લોકો બહુ લેઝી થઈ ગયા છે બહાર જવા માટે. પેરેન્ટ્સ keep comparing their students with the other students, which it should not how it's supposed to be. हम उससे मोटिवेट नहीं होते if they think so.
What is that one tip that you want to give to your parents?
સ્ટાર્ટિંગ થી એવું અઝ્યુમ નહીં કરી લેવાનું કે તમારો છોકરો કે તમારી છોકરી is at fault. That just listen to your child. Just listen. That's all.
बचपन बचाओ with Dhwanit.
What was your reaction when the lockdown was announced? Were you happy or sad?
So I felt when the lockdown was announced, it was for 22 days at first. And at first I was really happy because it meant that I would miss school. And back then I was really tired of school and it was hectic. So I was happy. But then in 2 days, I realized how bad the situation was. And then the happiness completely turned to really severe concern because I thought that we were all really unsafe.
I was very sad because my physical activities were almost closed down. I could not go to my favorite classes. Like I used to play tennis before when the lockdown came. I just stopped playing tennis and other activities. So I was totally very sad, and I liked school very much.
Initially, first, when the lockdown came, we were happy, like we'll have a time to spend with our family members and other, getting close to them and studying more. We will get more time to study. But initially, after few days were passing, and then we saw the situation which was being very difficult. So we realized how much we used to get back. Means the routine which was very much important, like going to schools and tuitions and doing the much of activities was also necessary for us.
All right. તમને વધારે સ્કૂલે જવું ગમે કે પછી આ વર્ચ્યુઅલ ની ટેવ પડી ગઈ છે હવે?
Actual for sure.
Yeah, I prefer physical school.
According to me, I feel the virtual was the best, and the first experience was also very great because you can be in your comfort zone. In school, we have to dress up and you have to go. You have to be. That means you have to be very neat and clean.
Yeah, sir. That
You are home.
is the problem. I can't focus in my comfort zone.
Okay. You can't focus in your comfort zone. If you are in school, then you can probably focus more.
Yeah. Same for me, actually.
Yeah.
In school, people can judge you, I think. But in actually studying online, what happens is when a teacher is speaking, we are only looking at that, because in school we have our friends and we got distracted a lot. So I feel I prefer online. I prefer online. Yeah.
ઓકે, પણ ઘણા લોકો એવું કહે છે કે ઓનલાઈનમાં કઈ યાદ રહેતું નથી. મતલબ જેટલું ફિઝિકલ સામે હોય ટીચર અને સમજ પડે અથવા તમે ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછી શકો એ રીતે તમે ઓનલાઈનમાં પૂછી નથી શકતા, મે બી ડાઉટ્સ ક્લિયર નથી થતા અથવા તો અંદર એટલું ઉતરતું નથી. ઇઝ ધેટ ટ્રુ?
Yes, sir. Doing sums in maths or accounts, it gets a bit tricky in online, whereas in school, like which have been now started, so we all go to school, and it also helps us to get motivation. Like this is a easy sum, and we can do it. Whereas in online, we don't get that confidence also.
Who else?
Yeah, same for me. At home, I think that I was way too comfortable and I wasn't taking it seriously, even though I wanted to. But when you're actually there and when you're physically learning, it just sits well with your mind, especially at my school where physical learning is the primary source of education. And I was really very upset to stay at home.
You can ask your doubts when the teacher is in front of you, but if you are not focusing online, you cannot, you just can't focus. In my case, it is like that. Connectivity issues
Yeah.
can also come in between the studies.
That was a very big concern, yes.
Actually, I could focus more and I could improve very much because in past years, I had did more progress in this year.
ઘણી બધી વાર મેં એવું સાંભળ્યું છે કે સ્ટુડન્ટ જે હોય એ ખાલી સેશન ચાલુ કરીને પછી જતા રહે અને કેમેરા તો બંધ હોય, તો પેરેન્ટ્સ એવું લાગતું હોય કે આ કંઈક કરી રહ્યો છે પણ ફોન પર કંઈક બીજી જ વસ્તુ કરી રહ્યા હોય. ઇઝ ધેટ ટ્રુ?
Yes, that is true. That happens a lot, actually.
Yes, they used to play games. Some people had keep their mic on and they were away from their keyboards. there were no one, and some people were caught sleeping also.
અમુક લોકોની સાથે એવું થયું કે એ લોકો વાત કરતા હતા ફોન પર ને પછી એનું રેકોર્ડિંગ લીક થઈ ગયું, સોશિયલ મીડિયામાં વાયરલ થઈ ગયું.
And yes, the popping up issue was very actually difficult personally for me, because like if the laptop is open right in front of me and if I'm trying to focus and then there is a message that pops up, it's actually really tempting to like hold yourself back and just stay and not refrain yourself from literally replying to them right at that point. So that was really difficult at first.
My handwriting capacity was actually zero. I could not write. I can just type now. I could not write much in the paper.
Yeah,
That
because
was
as
the
it's
most problem.
online, people take screenshots. They don't stress to write.
And personally for me, at one point my laptop had broken down and it was the lockdown, so we couldn't get it fixed, so I had to do everything in my phone, which was even more hectic. And at first glance bahar se mummy papa ko to aisa hi lagega ki all day I'm chatting, but actually I'm writing these essays and all that, and like they don't understand, but like yeah, that happened.
तो ऐसी कौन कौन सी चीजों में आपको लगता था कि यार पेरेंट्स समझते क्यों नहीं है?
I think sometimes when you're at home with your parents for months, you want some kind of privacy. You want to be alone at times, and you want to stay alone in your room, and if you want you can close your damn door. But the parents, they just never understood actually. Like at all times they're like, okay, but try to spend time with us, but that's what we had been doing. So that was a bit of an issue with me.
Not only with you, with almost all the teenagers.
Yeah, so when everything started opening and when we had to go with our friends, they would always tell that not now because of this pandemic and all. And I really got irritated because from many months I didn't meet my friends and it was irritating to see same faces every day. So this was a major problem.
Okay.
Also, parents keep comparing their students with the other students, which it should not how it's supposed to be. हम उससे मोटिवेट नहीं होते हैं if they think so.
कितने लोगों को ये सेंटेंस बोला गया है कि तू तो आलसी हो गई है?
तो मुझे बोला गया था कि I am on my desk for too long, on my bed for too long. But in the lockdown for like 6 months, that was my space, that was my comfort space. And everything, like I can't be outside, or like I can't go to other places where I find happiness, which number one was my school. So if I have a certain corner I like to stay to, then I was often demotivated to not do that, because I don't know what my parents thought, but yeah, it wasn't great.
तो किस किस को प्रॉब्लम हुआ ये ओवर स्लीपिंग का, ओवर स्पेंडिंग ऑफ टाइम ऑन सोशल मीडिया?
मुझे हुआ था.
हाउ डिड यू डील विद इट?
So I had a bad issue of staying up till 6 in the morning on my phone. And yeah, exactly. That wasn't great. But then it really started to affect my mental health and my overall schedule, like, for obvious reasons. So I put my phone away for hours and I actually started reading more books. So that helped.
Because the blue light that's get emitted from our phone screens, that affects our sleeping pattern. पर तो उसका सोल्यूशन कैसे लाए आप?
लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम उसका सोल्यूशन था ही नहीं, बिकॉज अगर मेरी पूरी स्कूल लाइफ मेरे फोन और लैपटॉप में है, तो आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली हैव अ चॉइस देन नॉट टू बी मर्ज्ड इनटू दैट फॉर एन एंटायर डे. सो आई गेस मेरे लिए उसका सोल्यूशन नहीं आ पाया था फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम.
Okay. How many of you did actually enjoy helping your mom or dad in kitchen or doing the household stuff?
I very much did. I learned very new cooking styles and recipes. I like cooking.
Great.
I realized that later when I started helping my mom out.
I helped my mom in grooming the room, to clean my bed, to clean and organize my study table, because it was getting too chaotic in online classes. Where is what? So that was for cleaning and for cooking, and that all I help.
अच्छा, कितने लोगों ने अपने सही में दूसरे लोगों को देख के खुद को मोटिवेट किया कि यार बाकी लोग बहुत सारे स्किल्स बढ़ा रहे हैं अपने, मुझे भी कुछ करना चाहिए? और कितने लोगों को ऐसा लगा कि ये दुनिया क्या स्किल्स बढ़ाने में लगी हुई है, मेरे को नहीं बढ़ाना है स्किल्स?
सर ये फेजेस होते थे जिसमें कभी ये लगता था कभी वो लगता था.
Hmm.
Yeah, I felt that the lockdown was a perfect opportunity for people like most of us who, had the sort of privilege to actually have that kind of free time, because then there were certain people who didn't have food to eat. So it really made me understand, like because before that, before the lockdown, when life was normal, I could always say that I'm busy in my studies, I'm busy in this, that, which is why I don't have time to focus on politics. But
Hmm.
here it was like I couldn't turn my face around. मैं मेरा सर मुड़ा नहीं सकती थी. The problem was right there. I can't just ignore it. So that was a really big wake up call actually, and I didn't feel like I need to develop new hobbies or I need to not develop new hobbies, but it made me gain perspective on the different kinds of people out there and what the lockdown means for them.
Okay, let's talk about cravings. लॉकडाउन के दौरान किस चीज की सबसे ज्यादा क्रेविंग आई और फिर जैसे अनलॉक हुआ, यार ये तो मतलब चाहिए ही चाहिए.
ક્રેવિંગ્સ તો પહેલી બહાર જવાની જોજો સર. એઝ વી આર સપોઝ ટુ સ્ટે ઇન, તો અમારે એવું થાય કે જેવું ખુલે અમે મજા કરીશું. એવું એકચ્યુઅલમાં ટર્ન આઉટ થયું ના, ખુલી ગયું તો ઇટ ટર્ન આઉટ કે અમે લોકો બહુ લેઝી થઈ ગયા છે બહાર જવા માટે. ધીરે ધીરે બહાર જતા થયા એવી રીતે ના.
I wanted to eat a lot of certain food like burgers. I was missing a lot of fast food and stuff. So I couldn't, of course, get it now. So I just made it myself, which was a really nice new hobby, cooking, that I have acquired, and it was really fun.
So I'm sure a few of your friends would have gone through some relationship issues. So what were the things that you felt के boss during the lockdown pandemic के आने के बाद आपके दोस्तों के लाइफ में रिलेशनशिप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आए हो?
रिलेशनशिप के लिए लोगों के साथ आके वो लोग बोर हो जाते थे, तो दे यूज टू थिंक दैट दे नीड अ पार्टनर टू सर्वाइव द लॉकडाउन. તો એ લોકો કોઈના બી સાથે રિલેશનશિપમાં આવી જતા હતા અને પછી મારા પાસે પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ લઈને આવે, આવું છે તેવું છે ને. આઈ વોઝ લાઈક કે ભાઈ જો તમે લોકો આયા છો, તમે લોકો જોઈ લો, આઈ ડોન્ટ નીડ ઇટ.
This is
I
really
hate,
nice. Okay.
I personally hate clingy talks. So
Okay. I want to understand something about bullying because this entire cyberbullying thing is not something my generation has gone through, but your generation is going through that. So I want to understand it. Any experiences about that?
Yes, I had an experience. Like me and my friends used to create chats, the fake chats. So what we used to make fake chats. Like if I say me and yours are chat, so I write hi, you will write hi, and I used to take screenshots. So that was the whole scene. After I got to know about these all things, like these all are crimes, I immediately deleted. I sent it, do not leak those because we could also go to jail. Because we are using someone's name. So yeah, that was the whole thing I learned in the lockdown. Like
I'm happy that you're honest about it and sharing this. Thank you for sharing.
So something that I and a lot of people from my school and my class experienced was Zoom bugs. So we would have Zoom meetings, and what certain people would do, like in the middle of the class, they would enter with a fake Zoom name, or probably just a fake Zoom name, and then they would like play really inappropriate music, or that they would write problematic stuff on the chat. This happened a lot, especially in the meetings that I was present in, and I think it might have happened in other classes too. And that was really disrespectful to not just the students who were participating, but especially to the teachers, and it was a really genuine problem.
You're absolutely right. At any point, did you feel depressed in last 1 year for some reason? And how did you get yourself out of it?
it would be like lonely because there won't be anyone who would be standing with you, or you can share anything what you are feeling, or you can't express anything to your parents, like what are you currently doing, or anything you have in your mind. There are certain things which are you can tell to your parents. So whereas in school or in classes, we used to meet our friends and like have some chill time and share the things with them. So in lockdown we used to meet uh, these things were really needed.
Yeah, not really depressed, but as he said, lonely. કે એવું થાય કોઈક વાર. And કોઈ કોઈને એવી આદત હોય કે કઈ ફીલ કરતું હોય તો બી એને કેવું ના હોય, because એની ઇમ્પ્રેશન એવી હોય કે ના આ બહુ ફન ટાઈપની છે, તો હાઉ કેન યુ હેવ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ. તો એ જરા પછી નડે કોઈને શેર કરવા પહેલા કે આને કહીશ તો હી વોન્ટ ઓર શી વોન્ટ બિલીવ. તો આ પ્રોબ્લેમ બહુ થાય છે કે બધું અંદર રહી જાય છે કે એવું હોય છે, પણ આપણે પોતાને એવું થાય છે કે ના, લેટ ઇટ બી, આઈ વિલ ઇવેન્ચ્યુઅલી બી ઓકે. તો you should share when you feel like it's okay, no big deal.
તો આ બંને ઓપિનિયનમાં ક્યાંક એવી વાત હતી કે કોની સાથે વાત કરવી અથવા તો પેરેન્ટ્સને અમુક વસ્તુ ન કહી શકાય એવું. સો એઝ ટીનેજર્સ, what is that one thing which you want to tell your parental generation that આ અમને આવું લાગે છે ને આવું તમારે આવું કરવું જોઈએ, કેમ તમે આવું કરતા નથી? what is that one tip that you want to give to your parents?
સ્ટાર્ટિંગ થી એવું અઝ્યુમ નહીં કરી લેવાનું કે તમારો છોકરો કે તમારી છોકરી is at fault. Like at the start only, when you're trying to express something, they will just assume the worst of the situation and the worst of you. So the biggest thing I would say to any parent out there is that just listen to your child. Just listen. That's all.
પેરેન્ટ્સને એમ સમજવું જોઈએ કે આ જનરેશનના સ્ટુડન્ટની મેન્ટાલિટી ડિફરન્ટ રીતે વર્ક કરે છે. એ લોકો અલગ રીતે સોચે છે, અમે લોકો અલગ રીતે સોચે છે. તો when we present our thoughts, they are like you are disrespecting the society or the values of the religion and whatsoever, but it's not like that. અમે લોકો એવી રીતે થયા છે રેઝ, આ ન્યૂ જનરેશનમાં મોડર્ન થોટ્સ છે અમારા, તો હોય બધાના ડિફરન્ટ થોટ્સ હોય બધી વસ્તુના ઉપર. that doesn't mean કે we disrespect what you think about something. It's okay, people can have different opinions and can still be okay with it.
Another tip I would like to give to a parental figure is that make yourself available to your child. Not as in ke घर से जल्दी काम से जल्दी free हो जाओ, not that. Make yourself mentally available to your child. Make sure that you're approachable, because half the time a teenager is just scared of talking, of speaking, especially to someone who has so much authority over your life technically. So half the time it's just that, how do I even approach them? And it would make it like so much easy if the parents were just welcoming.
Like parents should also understand like his or her child is also right. It's not every time that the parents are only right.
Lovely chatting with all of you. Thank you. You take good care of yourselves.
Thank you. You too. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
Bye.